Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is actually an SS Tribute. Beautiful car, though. It's finished in, this is a factory color combination. It's Madeira maroon with the black vinyl interior. Clean Tennessee car, guys. Big block 396, Muncie 4-speed, 4-wheel disc brakes, buckets with console. Good looking car. Good, solid, straight Tennessee body. Pretty paint. All brand new 18 and 20-inch American torque thrust wheels. All new rubber. And just a good looking car, guys. Sits good, runs and drives good. Sorry about the, it's got some wax and stuff in the crevices, guys. Really nice, pretty paint on the car. The chrome and stainless is nice. Pretty paint on the car. It's got the SS hood. Again, it is a tribute car, not a real super sport, but very nicely done. Dash in there is nice. Glass is nice. Sorry guys, again, he's got some wax on it. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Sorry. Sure, there's a little drip or something. That's a nice car, man. Pretty car. I like this color combo too. Again, 4-wheel disc brakes, brand new set of wheels. Yeah, a little mild built 396 with a small cam in it. It's got a Demon 4-barrel in it, RPM Performer aluminum intake, headers, power steering, again 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got an aftermarket salt ignition box on it with a Pro Billet distributor, aluminum radiator, Muncie 4-speed manual trans. It's got dual electric fans on it as well. Good looking car. See, the paint's nice. See Jordy with his hunting hat on in the background. A-pillar chrome is new on that thing. That stuff's gorgeous. New mirrors, new door handles. Interior's very nice. bucket seats, console. This stuff actually looks really original. Great shape. But I think it's original car. That's definitely a new sports steering wheel. That thing's beautiful. Factory dash, got the factory T-handle shifter in it. It's got the original Fisher body seat belts in it. Factory dash, 32,286. I'm sure that's 132. It's got an aftermarket sound system in it, some custom gauges underneath the dash. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got a 12-bolt 355 limited slip rear end. Factory jack, so he's got, must have some kind of aftermarket amp. I'm not a radio guy. Factory jack with spare. It's all spackle coated in here in the trunk. Shoot. Sorry guys. There's so much wax out of my gloves, are slipping off of it. There's nice underneath, it's clean. That's a great looking car. Dash is nice. How nice that steering wheel is. Gauges are nice and clear. Console's nice. Got an original T-handle console shifter. Console light works. We'll have Jordy give it a fire here. Yeah, they've definitely replaced those. Those things are gorgeous. Just a little cam to it. Runs out good. That's a pretty color. Hey, this car is nice and flat. Set your parking brake, Jordy. I know it works. Your little light on the dash works. Gauges here working. It's got some aftermarkets down there. It's got the aftermarket kick panel speakers too. Give it a little rev, Jordy. Aftermarket radio in there too. It's got, I see a light on in there. Is that my radio? Yeah, radio works. Blower motor, it works good. Even the clock in there is working, guys. Well, is it functional? Oh, no, it's working. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our YouTube page, or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a good-looking car, man. Great day, guys.